happens when raw power meets smart design. From record-breaking performance and next-level cooling to a massive battery and sleek fingerprint tech, the Redmi K80 Ultra isn't just another flagship, it's a statement. Stick around till the end to see why this beast might just redefine its segment. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's quickly unbox the Xiaomi Redmi K80 Ultra. The sleek silver and black box gives off a premium business class vibe. It's slim, yet packed with essentials. You get the standard accessory lineup, including a 120-watt fast charger and a 99-centimeter USB cable. The Redmi K80 Ultra features a flat display with a centered punch hole, perfect for gaming and a clear front view. Compared to other flagships, its larger corner radii, R angles give it a more rounded, modern aesthetic while still maintaining a bold, flat-sided profile. Up top, there's a cutout speaker. On the side, your standard volume and power buttons. At the bottom, SIM tray and microphone. Be cautious not to insert the SIM pin into the mic hole. This year's model is slightly wider and now supports full device waterproofing, indicated by the orange rubber seal on the SIM tray. Around back, you'll find a circular camera module with a separate flash. The minimal camera bump hints that photography isn't the focus here. The rear panel isn't pure glass, it's fiberglass, offering a marble-like texture with better heat dissipation and a lighter 224 grams weight. A full glass back would have made it heavier. To finish, snap on the included protective case, especially after the global rebrand. This video is just our first impression. Stay tuned for the detailed review coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and join our tech community to catch it first. Let's talk display. It's a flat panel with slim bezels and an impressively high screen-to-body ratio. The top bezel is especially narrow, enhancing the front view. It supports a dynamic refresh rate from 60 Hz to 144 Hz, and under the microscope, you'll spot a diamond pixel arrangement for crisp visuals. The Redmi K series has always prioritized raw performance, and the K80 Ultra takes it to the next level. Powered by the Dimensity 9400 Plus, it delivers record-breaking Antutu scores and solid 3D Mark results. In real game tests like Genshin Impact and Honor of Kings, performance matches other flagship chips, but Redmi stands out with superior thermal management. Under heavy load, the K80 Ultra maintains a higher average frame rate while keeping temperatures impressively low, making it one of the best performers in its price range. Charging performance holds up well, especially with its massive 7,400 mAh+ battery. After 5 standard tests, 64% power remained. A full charge from 0 to 100% takes 52 minutes, though the final trickle charge stretches the total to about 1 hour and 23 minutes. The K80 series deserves praise for its well-placed fingerprint sensor. Positioned slightly higher, it feels more natural during everyday use. It's responsive, unobtrusive, and can even be disabled entirely when not needed, keeping the interface clean. The Redmi K80 Ultra is priced at approximately 3,000 Yuan in China, which converts to around £310 in the UK and $470 in the US. And that wraps up the Redmi K80 Ultra. Power pack performance, smart design, and flagship features that truly impress. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.